The Philips Hue Festavia string lights offer an impressive 150 feet of lighting with 80 dimmable lights, perfect for creating an enchanting outdoor ambiance. These string lights are weatherproof and water-resistant, ensuring durability and longevity even in extreme temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. With a color ambience feature, you can choose from a range of static and dynamic light scenes, allowing for customization to suit any occasion or mood. Installation is straightforward with included 3-meter adhesive tape for most surfaces or screws for added security, making setup quick and hassle-free. A standout feature is the ability to sync the lights with music, adding an extra layer of magic to your celebrations as the lights dance to the beat. For enhanced home security, these lights can be integrated with the Hue Bridge, providing a sense of safety by deterring potential intruders with strategic lighting.